your home country to another country, to abroad, there would be some problems. For example, homesickness is one of the problems that an international student might face. And you should take care of your health, and your health is very important for us because you will be here for about 7 years, and you should be healthy to help people. As a medical student, you should help people. And we are here with Professor Yassini and Professor Bidaki for the psychological problems that international students might face in their study. And Professor Yassini is a psychiatrist, and also Dr. Bidaki. They are very professional in their field. You will see them in your, I think, fourth or fifth years of their study. Thank you again. We are here to hear your speech. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Nice to see all of you here. As Dr. Saleh told you, I'm Dr. Yassini, professor in psychiatry and director of the psychiatry group, and the head of Research Center for Addiction and Behavior.